prove I'm losing my mind? Would you lose yours with me? You make me wanna melt.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'll be doing a totally different video. It's gonna be a challenge doing just using my fingers. I don't know how that's gonna work, but I'm not gonna use no sponges, no makeup brushes, no nothing. So everything is gonna be done with these babies right here. Get this challenge started because oh my gosh, face primer, and put this all on my face.
So let's spend some time.
Don't have a clue how this is gonna turn out.
Wasting it away.
So now it's just gonna be the foundation. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh. This is a disaster.
My side signs don't match.
It makes it a little difficult when you have these long nails too, because I have to make sure I don't squash my face.
I'm gonna miss you. Wait to see you go.
Guys, if you see this up close, it is awful. Oh my gosh. I feel like I'm just moving my face and my skin all over the place. Oh my gosh. So I'm just gonna see if I could pretend that I have my beauty sponge and press everything down. Gonna do my eyebrows. Gosh, help me. I'm just gonna use, let's see how can I do my eyebrows using this. I don't really know if I'm doing anything right. Okay, let's do this. Challenging, especially when it comes to eyebrows. That's good enough, right? Not that bad. Not that bad. Concealer. So I'm just gonna summon my finger, the side of my eye. It's so hard when you had long nails.
You make me wanna melt like water in the pan. It's hard to keep my cool.
A little bit more on this side right here.
So let's spend some time.
You guys definitely don't want to see this up close. All right. Oh gosh. Too Faced. So okay, so I'm gonna use Mocha. I think I could use the pinky finger.
My side signs don't match. Immigration issues trying to prove I'm with you.
And I'm gonna get some extra wrinkles now. Not bad. Not bad at all. And again. Oh gosh.
In no time.
Let me just use my other pinky finger. Just doing my crease using my pinky finger. See? That wasn't that bad. Now I'm going to use this dark color. I use this. And I'm going to put it right here in this corner. And I guess just move it around like a circle. Like if you would have a brush. Let me brush. Oh my gosh. I think this is going to turn out right. too much on this one. Just blending, guys. Keep blending. Okay, so I think that's as good as it can get. I'm going to use this palette right here, and I'm going to use this color right there. I'm going to put that on my crease.
It's hard to keep my cool.
Oh boy,
Knowing I'm your man. So
I guess that wasn't bad.
Wasting it away. Your love is like music.
Just gonna blend this together. So I'm gonna use this in my inner crease. So I use that one. Oh, sorry, for my lid. So this is gonna be for the inner crease. And I'm going to use my finger. And see how that gets in there. Huh? Oh no, that did not work. Use my fingernails to blend in. Trying to do the same thing on the bottom. I'm gonna use SMOKEY again.
Right by my side like a monkey on my back. It's been a ride and we know we need time. I guess you need the Lord.
What do you guys think? So far so good? Yes? No? Yes. This dark color right here again. Use my pinky. Put it right up the corner. Gosh. It's okay, I could fix it. I could fix it. I'm going to put champagne on top of my bones. Very challenging. So I'm going to go with the liquid eyeliner. This. And I have to do it very quick. Oh gosh. Because this liquid eyeliner dries very quickly. Just going to, it's already dry.
Wasting it away. Your love is like music.
Done. I guess it's a good thing that I have long nails. Okay, so that is there. Now going to put some lashes, and obviously you do this with your, I gotta do this with my fingers. Oh gosh. Oh my god, I like to use this, my tweezers. It's so hard to do with your nails.
This time we just go slow.
Oh, that was hard. That one is done. Moving on to the next. So while that dries out with these, holding it, I'm going to contour my face, and I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit. The color I'm going to use is this one, the usual, so I'm going to use this finger. Let's see how this works. Oh, jeez Louise. Let's blend, guys. Pretend that we have no brushes in the world. Not bad. See, I guess you don't need no brushes when you could have fingers and hands. And then I'm gonna do this over here. Oh, geez. appreciate the little things that you have. You don't have no brushes, how will you do this? With your finger. Not bad at all. So now let me just put this baby on.
You went and changed again.
Alright, that's on. So lashes are on, contour is on point. Now I'm going to use the blush. Oh boy. Oh my gosh. Okay, blending it, guys. Blend, blend, blend. Blend, blend, blend. Just have to make it even. Then I'm going to use my powder. And I'm just going to do this. And
I guess you need the lows to know when you're up.
then better than I expected. Now let's just do mascara, the part that I was trying to avoid. So just put this. I don't even know if this is doing anything.
Love is like music.
I don't even know if it did anything. Now, bottom lashes.
We're breaking all the rules. Our star signs don't match. Immigration issues trying to
Just a little bit. Don't look too close, that's all I gotta say. Highlighter. Same highlighter I use all the time. This. Now let's just go with the listing. The one I'm going to use is this one right here. It's on my fingers.
Right by my side like a monkey on my back. It's been a ride and we know we need done.
And I'm going to use my lip gloss. Alright guys, that's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I think it turned out pretty good for doing everything with my fingers and no brushes. The eyeliner, the lashes, everything, it just turned out very well. So you could appreciate your makeup brushes, but if you don't have makeup brushes, I guess you could do your makeup with your fingers. It's better when you don't have these nails on, but hey, it turned out pretty good. It turned out better than I expected, so I enjoyed this challenge. Please let me know on the bottom, on the comment below. Tell me what do you think, if I did good or did bad, you guys. And share my videos, comment down below, and hit like. I will challenge you to try to do your makeup with your fingers. So yes, love you guys. Thank you.